Roger Nelson, and I'm the Rural Fire Manager for the Taupo Zone of Pumiceland's Rural Fire Authority. Yeah, it was pretty full on. We're doing some pretty physical work with hand tools, creating fire lines and fire breaks to stop fires escaping from one sector to another. And then we also had the use of some emergency services vehicles from both Tasmania and New South Wales, which was pumping equipment so that we were able to squirt lots of water at some hot stuff as well. Yeah, we had some pretty awesome fires. Some of them were 15-20 metres plus high. The majority of the stuff that we were dealing with was obviously a lot lower than that, and some in-ground fires, which is something that I hadn't dealt with before. The first day, or the first fire that we got choppered to, was the total fire ground length was 19 kilometres, so it had quite a huge fire perimeter. The largest one I've dealt with here in Taupo has been 20 hectares, so some of the ones we were dealing with over there were over 100,000 hectares, so quite a bit larger in scale to what we're used to over here. When you've got flames coming towards you and you're not sure what the fire behaviour is going to do with the low relative humidity and a reasonably high temperature, it makes for a very interesting situation. It was not something I've experienced before. Well, obviously family and friends were the most people that I missed while we were away, and it was great to come home. Yeah, 3 weeks was, it was a long time. It was a long time to be away from family, so yeah. I'd really like to thank the National Rural Fire Authority and obviously the Tasmanian Fire Service for the opportunity to come over and experience a different country and a different method of doing things. So it was an extremely well worthwhile experience, great learning tool.